Good morning. I needed a loaner car and this is what I got, an Audi A3 S line. So I'm gonna make a very quick intro video, just telling my driving impressions.
So this is the walk around of the car. You can see it's in this beautiful gray. I believe exclusive to the S line. Do love the look of this car. It definitely has the more modern look compared to the earlier generation Audis. Walking into this would be very nice every day. Has the flat bottom steering wheel and a very simple interior and essentially a S emblem to tell you that it is the DSG transmission. To tell you, this lets you navigate through the MMI, and you can see you've got quite a few options to deal with. You got the vehicle, which lets you put it into different modes. Dynamic is the best mode. It gives the best acceleration, the best cornering of the car. Okay, so we're in the A3 S line. I've driven this once before just for to get back and forth to work, so I have a bit of an impression of what it's like already. I would say that it's impressive. I've driven quite a few different Audis already. I own a 2014 B8.5 S4. I definitely feel difference between the A line and the S line in terms of the quality of the materials a little bit, and just in general. But I think you get a very nice luxury sport sedan with this S line version. I do love the display. I like how simplified the ergonomics are. The acceleration, which we'll get to in a little bit, is pretty good at certain places. Nice. This car, for your money, you're getting a very nice Audi that competes with low-end BMWs, and it's very small inside compared to most sedans. So that's something that, I think you should definitely consider when you're buying this. But you do take advantage of the lesser weight. This car is around 3,300 pounds. I'm going to take this turn relatively quickly. We're at 44. Yeah, wow, that's nice. That is actually pretty nice. So there you go. Some point of view acceleration right there. And it does shift really smoothly with that DSG transmission. So you don't have to think twice about anything. You could do the paddle shifters if you want. I haven't driven the A3 non-S line, but I'm assuming you're getting an upgraded handling experience based on the specs and feeling the differences between S and S line models. So I want you to keep that in mind. I think you have an impressive suspension. It's very interesting how Audi's able to dial in and dial up noticeable differences between their lines, but still give you a great experience for what you're getting. So I decided to stop for a second and just, give you a summary of what I feel about the car. It confidently corners. It's got nice acceleration for its class. And I think the looks are kind of second to none if you're an Audi fan. It's got very little road noise. It's refined in its driving. To point out, besides its stylish looks, it's got a 5-star crash test rating. So you're also in a very safe car. Good. The quality of the materials are excellent. And I think you get an overall very nice package.